Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this video about Mitolyn. Besides my frizzy hair, I do want to talk to you about this weight loss supplement that is so intriguing, that is helping so many people out, and it's natural. So I want you to set aside just a few minutes to watch this video because Mitolyn is here and it can help you lose weight naturally. It helps you target your mitochondria, which I'm pretty sure maybe you have no idea what it is. And throughout this video, I actually want to explain to you what Mitolyn is, what are the ingredients, and what you can expect out of it, like the results. So make sure you don't go away just yet because there's so many cool things that I do want to share with you guys that I think is worth knowing. So if you want to start losing weight and you have no time for workouts, you have no patience for diets, then I think Mitolyn is actually a really great option. I left for you their official webpage in the description box of this video because if you want to purchase the original Mitolyn, you want to make a safe and secure purchase, you want to make sure that you're actually getting results, then you need to pop over to this link right here, okay? But guys, it's pretty simple, okay? Like Mitolyn is going to target your mitochondria function, which is actually a enzyme that is in our cells that is responsible for melting off stored fats and also fueling up our bodies with energy. So you pretty much guessed the whole picture right now. If your mitochondria levels are really low, your body is not being able to melt down fats and it's not having energy. So it's just like storing everything up and you feel really tired. Mitolyn has ingredients that are Maqui Berry, theobroma cacao, astaxanthin, chisandra, amla, Rhodiola, rosea, and all of these natural ingredients help you to naturally increase your mitochondria function, and you've guessed it, like you get weight loss, you get easy weight loss, and all it takes is for you to take one Mitolyn capsule each and every day, and that is it. And believe me, your metabolism will start to work better again, meaning that you are going to be melting off stubborn fats, visceral fats, localized fats, and day by day, you're slimming down. But that's not all that Mitolyn brings to the table. This is actually a supplement that was created thinking about your whole entire health. So it's good for your heart, it's good for your cholesterol levels, your blood pressure, your blood sugar, your liver. It helps you with your hair, your skin, your gut. So it truly has a lot of great, remarkable things that it can help you out with. And all you got to do, guys, is take your treatment seriously, okay? Every day you're using Mitolyn, you can do a 3 months treatment, a 6 months treatment, but every day you cannot interrupt your treatment. Otherwise, it's going to take forever for you to get results. And I'm pretty sure you want fast results, right? And before I forget, Mitolyn also has a money-back guarantee, which I personally think is incredible. Because if you end up purchasing Mitolyn, but you don't like it, it's not like giving you the results you were expecting, go back to the official webpage and request a refund. And it's that simple. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video about Mitolyn. I hope it provides you with massive weight loss, so don't miss out on this opportunity. The link is right here. Thank you for watching, guys. Sorry about my frizzy hair. It's raining here, and I'll see you next time. See you guys.